Welcome to Inside Finance. Today, we're showing you 10 part-time jobs in the USA that anyone can join. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or just looking to earn some extra cash, these jobs offer flexible hours and opportunities to fit into your busy schedule. Let's get started. Number 10, Retail Associate. Work in stores ranging from big box retailers to small boutiques. As a retail associate, you'll help customers stock shelves and manage the cash register. This job is great for building customer service skills and often comes with employee discounts, making it a win-win. Number 9, Food Delivery Driver. Use services like Uber Eats, DoorDash, or Grubhub to deliver meals from restaurants to customers' doorsteps. If you have a car and enjoy driving, this job offers the flexibility to choose your hours. Plus, you can earn tips on top of your base pay, which can significantly boost your income. Number 8, Barista. Work in coffee shops where you'll prepare drinks, take orders, and maintain a clean workspace. This job is perfect for those who love coffee and enjoy a social environment. Many coffee shops offer flexible schedules, making it easy to fit into your day, whether you prefer morning or evening shifts. Number 7, Tutor. If you excel in a particular subject, tutoring can be a rewarding way to share your knowledge. From elementary school students to college peers, there's always someone in need of academic help. As a tutor, you can set your own rates and schedule, providing the flexibility to work around your other commitments. Number 6, Babysitter. Parents are always on the lookout for reliable babysitters. If you enjoy working with children, this is a fantastic part-time job. Babysitting often takes place in the evenings and on weekends, making it easy to fit into your schedule. Plus, it's a great way to build strong relationships with families in your community. Number 5, Server or Waiter. Restaurants are always in need of staff, especially during peak hours. As a server, you'll take orders, deliver food, and ensure customers have a great dining experience. Tips can significantly boost your earnings, especially in busy restaurants. This job also helps you develop excellent communication and multitasking skills. Number 4, Dog Walker or Pet Sitter. If you love animals, consider becoming a dog walker or pet sitter. Many pet owners need someone to walk their dogs or care for their pets while they're away. This job allows you to set your own schedule and enjoy the outdoors, all while staying active and spending time with furry friends. Number 3, Library Assistant. Libraries often need part-time help with shelving books, assisting patrons, and organizing events. This job is ideal for those who love books and enjoy a calm, quiet environment. Flexible hours and a peaceful atmosphere make this job very appealing for anyone looking for a serene work setting. Number 2, Fitness Instructor. If you're passionate about fitness, consider becoming a part-time fitness instructor. Many gyms and community centers need instructors for yoga, spin classes, and more. This job allows you to share your love for fitness with others and help them achieve their health goals, all while staying fit yourself. Number 1, Event Staff. From concerts to sports games to corporate events, there's always a need for event staff. You'll be doing anything from setting up to managing crowds. This job is perfect for those who enjoy a dynamic work environment and want to be part of exciting events. The flexible hours allow you to work around your other commitments while enjoying the buzz of different events. That's our list of 10 part-time jobs in the USA that anyone can join. Each of these jobs offers flexibility, the opportunity to earn extra income, and a chance to gain valuable experience. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Inside Finance for more great content. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let us know in the comments which job you're interested in or if there's another great part-time job we missed. Thanks for watching and see you next time.